In this video, we will learn the probability. This kind of questions are always asked in competitive exam. So what we need to do is, first we need to understand the basics. Let's say this is a box. In this box, I have 5 blue marbles, 2 pink marbles and 3 brown marbles. So if I'll ask you what is the probability if of getting blue marble, if I draw one marble out of this, if I draw one marble out of this box, so what is the probability that the marble will be blue and not pink or brown? So the simple formula of probability is number of which is the desirable outcome. So desirable outcome here is blue marble. So what is the number of blue marbles? Number of blue marble is 5. And what could be the possible outcomes? The possible outcome could be 10, like there are 10 possibilities. So the probability will be 5 over 10. So because half of the marbles are blue, so there is half is the probability of getting a blue marble out of this. So this is a very basic concept of probability. And if I ask you that if I draw 2 marbles and I ask you that I must get 2 marbles and both must be blue. So here I use the concept of combinatorics. And combinatorics, what we'll do is we say that if we have to choose 2 things out of 10, then the combinatorics is 10C2. From 10 I have chosen 2. So from 10 marbles I have chosen any 2 marbles, that will be 10C2. And now if I asked you to calculate the probability of getting 2 marbles, 2 blue marbles, the marble should be only blue, not pink or brown. So the probability will be 5C2, because I need to get 2 marbles from this 5, only this 5. So 5C2, getting 2 out of this 5, divided by, now I won't divide it by 10, likewise I just replace 5 with 5C2, I'll replace 10 with 10C2, because this is the probability of choosing any 2 marbles. When I draw 2 marbles, then this is the possibilities, and this is the possibility of getting blue marble. So that is the probability. So we will use this concept here. This is the question which has been asked in SBI PO exam. This type of questions are always asked, and 4 or 5 questions are linked to it, and this is very easy. This is very easy. This is an urn contains 6 red, 4 blue, 2 green and 3 yellow marbles. 6 red, 2 green, 4 blue and 3 yellow marbles. So in first question we have to find out, if 4 marbles are picked at random, what is the probability that at least one is blue? At least what is there? At least. So there could be 1 blue, 2 blue, 3 blue or 4 blue. So what we can do here is, whenever the word at least is given, we can calculate the probability of no blue marble and subtract it from 1. 1 is the maximum probability. Okay, like in percentage, 100% of a number is 100%. Like so 1 minus no blue, 1 is the maximum probability. The probability of getting no blue marble is, that will be, if I choose from only red, green and yellow. If I don't consider this set, then if I draw my marbles from red, green and yellow, then I won't get blue. This is common sense. If in the bucket there won't be any blue marbles, then how can I get blue marbles out of it, right? So 4 marbles are picked, like I told you here. In here 2 marbles were picked, so we used 5C2. Here the number of marbles are 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2 plus 3, that is 15. So total number of marbles are 15. So the total possibilities if I picked randomly 4 marbles is 15c4. This is the total number of possibilities. Now what is the desired outcome? Desired outcome is no blue. For no blue, I must pick marbles from red, green and yellow. Red ones are 6 plus 2 plus 3. So this will give me 11. So 11 C4. So if I remove blue marbles and then pick 4 marbles at random, I will get no blue. But in the question I had to calculate that at least one is blue. What is the probability that at least one is blue? So if I eliminate all the cases of no blue, then I will get at least one is blue, because in these cases we have eliminated all the cases in which no marble is blue. Now the cases which remain will be they have at least one blue, 2 blue, 3 blue, or all 4 can be blue. So rather than calculating probabilities like calculating 4c1 and then 11c3 divided by 15c4 plus 4c2, 11c2, 15c4 and so on and so forth. Instead of doing this, we can simply calculate it as 1 minus no blue, and the probability of no blue is 11c4 upon 15c4. So this is our answer. You can work it out. You know what is 11c4. 11c4 is 11 factorial by 7 factorial by 4 factorial. Similarly this. Now if 2 marbles are picked at random, what is the probability that both are red? These are my marbles. These are 6 marbles. What is the probability that if I drew 2 marbles and both of the marbles would be red? So out of 6 I need 2 marbles. So my desired outcome will be 6c2 and total is same 15c2, because total marbles are 15. That's it. This is the answer. In the third question, if 3 marbles are picked at random, what is the probability that 2 are blue and 1 is yellow? So total blue are 4. Out of 4 I need 2 blue, so 4c2, and 1 I need is yellow, so total number of yellow were 3, so 3c1. So my answer would be 4c2. I chose 2 marbles from 4 blue marbles and 1 marble from 3 yellow marbles, and the total possibility is again 15c3, because I have chosen 3 marbles at random from a bag which contains 15 marbles. So these are the answers. You can simply work it out as 4 factorial by 2 factorial. This will be only algebra remaining.
testbharat.com you can get free test series of all major competitive exams. All these services, all these tests are absolutely free. So what are you waiting for? Register yourself on testbharat.com or download our Android app as Test Bharat on Google Play.